Excuse me,
Yes,
is there any shop in this area?
yes. Go straight and turn left.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hello, is there anyone inside? Hello, is there anyone inside? Excuse me, can you help me please?
Yes, of course.
I want to buy something but nobody is there inside.
Don't worry, wait. Motilal, oh Motilal. Hello. Customer has come to your shop. Where were you? Sorry, ma'am. I was busy watching cricket IPL.
Okay, it's alright.
What do you want, ma'am?
I want to buy some biscuits.
Which biscuit? Parle-G, Good Day, Tiger, Monaco, Happy, Marigold.
Give me 2 Parle-G and Good Day each.
Take it.
What its cost?
Just 20 rupees.
Take these.
Thanks.
Give me 1 plastic carry bag please.
Plastic carry bag.
Yes, plastic bag.
Don't you know plastic bags are banned?
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
Take this paper bag.
Thanks.
Plastic causes water and land pollution. It also affects agriculture, land and environment.
It is harmful for marine animals and animals on land.
So avoid plastic bags and save environment.